everyone, and welcome back to Cantity Plans. This is Carmen. If you are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. Here in my channel, I show you guys how I functionally and decoratively plan my planner spreads for the weeks and for the months. And today I'm going to be planning in my classic dashboard happy planner that I use as my social media planner for the week of May 6th through May 12th. So let's go ahead and get to planning. All right, in this spread, I'm going to be using some Growing Modestly stickers. I'm going to be using the Spring Florals stickers along with some stickers from the, let's see if I can find them, from the Bunnies at Tea sticker set. So I'm gonna go ahead and link that shop down below so that you guys can go ahead and take a look if you're interested. And I'm just gonna go ahead and pick out here what I wanna use. I wanna start with the functionals. So before we do that, I do want to white out the sections that I'm not going to be using, which is this side here. I don't use the Monday through Sunday section there, and I don't use this section for notes. They're like little decorative areas for me. All right. So these are functionals. Check out all the functionals that I have. These are decorative. And then these are washi strips. Washi strips I consider to be decorative as well. Let's see, I got one functional here. That counts. Okay, we got this one too. And this. Washi and some functionals. Okay, so I'm gonna use the functionals first and then we'll go in with the deco in a minute. These are pretty much the same colors, which is why I pulled these two sticker collections out. I'm gonna white out this bunny right here. Not because I don't think he's cute, but because I want it to look just like this one. Okay. So what I want to do with these is I want to lay them down horizontally, because I think they fit right there where the box is. So one here, then I'll put this other one there as well. I know I just finished saying, oh, I use these sections for decoration, but I don't know. I may try something different out in my spreads this week as far as like how I use this for social media. Let's see, and then maybe these two can go there. And then I'm gonna cut, I don't have to cut the cake out actually from there. It's fine. Okay, so let's do this one down here for the looking ahead section. And I'm not going to lay it all the way down because I want to cut it right there where it is. Okay, see if I can do it. All right, and then what I want to do is I want to close it up. It's like, why did you do that? Oh, because I wanted to fit in this box. That's why I did it like that. Okay, I know it looks a little raggedy there, but we'll do something to make it look good. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing up at the important section. And the reason why I'm doing this too is because I want to be able to use all of my stickers. I think I've mentioned this in a few of my videos, but one of my goals is to try to use up a lot of what's in my current stash. Like, I don't want to have to be buying new stickers all the time, especially when I know that I have stickers I haven't even used or haven't finished using, you know? So in efforts to use what I have, I want to come up with new ways, maybe even new way to use the layouts so that I could use all my stickers. Isn't that cool? That looks awesome. And I don't know what I'm gonna notate here, but I'll think of something. Okay, and then, so I have these functionals, so I can put them down over here. Let's do the purples, because purple's my favorite color. So we got purple. So we can do one here. and one here. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you're happy and that you're healthy and that everything is going well for you. Blues. Blue. Okay, and then probably maybe pinks. And then here I'm going to use one of the colors that doesn't have doubles just because I don't need it to have a double for Thursday. Okay, all right. So maybe that green one. To bring in some of that green. All right, so we still have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We do have this quote, so let's do that. Flowers are always a good idea. Perfect. Oh, and then there are some decorative stickers here. I know I said I wasn't going to use decorative stickers, but they're here. I think that's a sign that I need to use them. Okay. This right there. Okay, and I think I can put that here. I was trying to figure out what I was going to put there. Well, now I know. Okay, so I think I'm done with the functionals for now. Now we're going to go in with some deco. Let me see. I think I want to put the cupcakes across the bottom. Those are fun. And I do want them to go all the way to the end, but I don't want to have it covering the hole. So let's go ahead and cut right here. Okay. So we got one washi strip down. This is vertical, but I don't want anything that has the bunnies in it in the spread because I want it to be more like a floral spread. So let me see here. Now I think we might use this washi strip across the top right here. Let's do it. Ooh, sorry, I think I'm making somebody else sick. I don't mean to. Do it like this so that I know exactly where it needs to go. Okay. There's May. Okay. This one's cute. And then we can put this down over here. And then, because we definitely want to use the florals at their full capacity. Okay, so like this is a good way to use this big floral. And then this one's cute. Put it here. And more. Let's see, one there. Another one beneath it. We have two more floral stickers that we could possibly use. I'm thinking we can put this one right in here. Have that smaller one there. Here. All right, so we're done with these. This washi strip's interesting and I want to incorporate it somehow. I know I just put all those functional boxes down, right? And now I'm gonna put this, no, I'm not gonna put it there. I'm gonna do a little bit of this. But not all the way. And get my washi cutter. Okay. Now I'm going to cut the bottom off. Okay, so we've got that. And I think I can put some more on the top over here. Oh. Just enough right there. Okay, let me grab this piece and put it on here. And then I'm going to cut right here. And cut the extra off. Okay, so we got a little bit up at the top and a little bit down at the bottom. I don't know if I can put this here or not. About halfway right here. Okay. And I think we're good with that one. I used quite a bit of it. We do have some that have the florals on it. And here's this one. Like, you can use this particular sticker really anywhere you want. Like, I can put it right here actually, and it would be perfect here. I think this would be great to put somewhere. Maybe down at the bottom. Take this one off. It's okay if it peels a little bit, if it does. Here, we'll do this. Okay. Then we'll do this. And then another one of these. We'll cut another one of these. And then this time we'll do it like that. Oh, I still have this one left. I can do it like this. But I want to lift this so that the functional box can still be seen. We're gonna just lift the functional box a little bit. Lift, lift, lift. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, yay. So we're gonna have to lift this one up, which is the where else I was planning to put some of that. So let me lift that now, because I know it's gonna have to be done. All right, so here we go. Put this down. Oops. Because I don't want to take away functionality from the spread. That's I think what's making this a little more challenging too, because I want it to stay functional. Okay. Let's see, and then I have this. I can put it like that. I'm just doing all sorts of layering effects and such. Okay, maybe like this too. Really like how it looks. Now, one thing I am going to do from the functional stuff, and because like I said, I want to try to use as many of my stickers as possible. These stickers come with a lot of these bullet points. So I'm going to put one down each box of the tasks section. There we go. Let's see what other color did we use. We used this one. Trying to look at the functional boxes, like what we used. Okay, we did use the pinks. And then the green, where's that green? It's over here. Okay, and then we're gonna kind of alternate the colors like that, just so that it can match what's going on the right side. Okay, and as I was doing this, I realized I can use some words, so I'm gonna do that. I'm going to do the pink box here where it says tasks, and instead of it reading tasks, it's going to say to do. We're going to use the grayish letters, I think, to kind of just have it stand out. So we have to do, and then instead of important here, we're going to have one that says priorities. So we have that one here. It's just priorities and important are about the same, right? And then we're going to do the looking ahead. Let me see here. Okay, looking ahead. And then down here, I don't know what I want to put yet. We'll see what I end up putting down here. But we ended up using a little bit more of our stickers, which is also always exciting. All right, let's take a look at what we got here. I am very excited with how this spread turned out. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you guys enjoyed this video, please click the like, subscribe, and notification button so that you can be notified of my future videos. Thank you so much for your support, and I can't wait to see you guys all in the next one. Bye!